Okay. There's our cars. There's my baby over there. 1984. It's in its 30th season. The pipe over here. Not really a lot of snow on the ground. Do we still have a driving ban at West Seneca? It makes its own little look at it, pumping out the moist air, isn't it? I don't see any evidence of a mailman. Woo! It's cold now. My hands are cold, I think, a little bit. No, not really. Gotta back it up through some snow. Go in the backyard? I don't see any evidence as yet of dog print. The shed. Ooh, a kid. Somebody did a good job on this thing, huh? Here we used to have a tree back here in the corner. Gone now. So we got the tree over here in this corner. There's a gazebo all covered up, looks good. See the additions. This tree we planted. How many years ago was that, Ken? Was that that was in the Bilbo era? Yeah, 10 years ago or so. Good size now. When we moved it from against the fence down there over to here. Now back here, on the other side, there used to be a rose bush. It's that rose bush there, Ken? Huh? Yeah, is it still there on the other side? Oh yeah. That rose bush has been there as long as the house has been. They've been trying to kill it for years. But it's saying, nope, I'm living. Whew. Here's the shed. We're not going to open the doors. Don't even know if I could without a shovel. Huh. Trees and whatnot back there. Anything else we want to explore? I think you ready for an adventure? Walk to Azalea, just see what it looks like down the street. Woo! It's cold! All I know is I hope the Dunfords got some food. Even Conan might say this is a bit nippy. He'd say feels like home. Here's Azalea. This is where Dunford used to come from. I haven't seen him in a while. He's down here somewhere. Now you can see the visibility is very low. Are you ready? Still snowing. Snowing nicely now. Hi, Uncle Sam. Well, making our way in. Oh, hello. Joseph and Mary and baby Jesus. Sorry to leave you out in the cold, but you know, you'll be okay.